Good day, viewers. We are to solve this question. The question says the graph of y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x intersects the graph of y is equal to 2x at 0, 0, that is 0 in the x-axis and 0 in the y-axis, and AB. A stands for x-axis and B stands for the y-axis. What is the value of B and A? That is, what is the value of these coordinates, the coordinates x and y? So let's solve that. Solution now. Because this equation and this equation intersect, it means the value of y is the same at the point of intersect. So which means if you want to find the intercept of this graph, you can equate this to this. That is minus x squared plus 5x is equal to 2x. Now minus x squared plus 5x, this come over here, minus 2x is equal to 0. It means we have subtracted 2 from both sides, so it's equal to 0. So 5 minus 2 minus x squared plus 3x is equal to 0. To solve this, x is common in here and here. So what are we going to do now? This minus x can be the factor here. So we have minus x, open bracket, into minus x squared plus 3x. Now, since we have multiplied by minus x, we have also to divide by minus x, the rule of mathematics. So this cancels this cancels one of this x here, okay? So this also cancels this minus have to swallow this. So we'll be left with minus x into, we are left with x. Instead of plus, we have minus, okay? We have x minus 3, all equals to 0. Okay? So from here now, minus x is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So from there, this x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 3. This particularly, okay, is somehow extraneous, so we leave it like we leave that. Now for x to be equal to 3, it means our a is equal to 3, because that's the coordinate. If you remember, we have the coordinate of AB. So this is for x, so that's why a is here. So to get our b, we have to substitute into any of the equation. We have two equations, okay? So we have two equations. If you look at it, we have y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x. We also have y is equal to 2x. Since a is standing for x, b will stand for y. So any of these can go. So let's try the two. Now, since a is equal to 3, and you can see what we have here, and we have a is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 3. So let's substitute that into this equation first. So we have y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x. So it means y is equal to minus 3 squared plus 5 into 3. So y is equal to, now minus 3 squared, that will be minus 9, plus 5 times 3, that should be 15. So minus 9 plus 15, that gives us 6. So let's try the second equation here. When y is equal to 2x, y will be equal to 2 into, since our x is 3, that will be equal to what? 3. So therefore y is equal to 2 times 3, that's 6. It means this and this is they are correct. So it means our y is equal to 6. Therefore, to get the value of a and b, or b and a, so the coordinates of a into b will now be equal to 3 into 6. So this is the final answer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share with friends. Thank you and God bless.